I'm a crocheter. Of course, I make items like this for sale. Cuties!
Where? Mommy.
Ano? Buena mano. Oh,
Nice! Nice! Nice!
may isa pa.
Mommy.
Ano? Oh, which one? Yung palaka. Aras.
Mommy, thank you.
Luge negosyo. I'm a crocheter, mama. Luge ang negosyo. I'm a
Yeah. Almost.
I'm a
뭐야?
이거.
yarning.
Ha? Murago?
Yarning.
Yarning? May word ba na ganun? Crochet!
Crochet.
Yarning. Oh, it's crochet! Hi, since spring is coming, so I made this crochet flower keychain or crochet bag charm. Nice, di ba? Hello guys. So, I've been crocheting these crochet frogs bag charms and they are very cute. Nakita nyo naman, na-addict ako dyan. Siguro marami din akong nagawa. Kaso, na-sold out na siya. Alam niyo kung sino bumili? Siyempre, yung mga junakis ko, walang natira. Lahat yan, naubos nila. Inarbor. Okay. Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Crafting 101 with Mommy Lee. O, diba? May ano tayo. Okay, hello sa ating 3 viewers sa Facebook, sa YouTube, and sa ating, how do you call this? Sa ating crafting page, Crafty Hobbies by Lisa. Okay, sana please stay tuned kasi meron tayong, ang topic natin for today is pattern making and magkakaroon po tayo ng guest after ng discussion natin about pattern making. Magkakaroon tayo ng guest, isa siyang pattern maker and she just released her new pattern, which is a very great item. It's a bucket hat. So, mamaya yung ating surprise guest. So, anyway, you can comment down wherever you are. Kung napapanood nyo itong live stream na to sa Lisa Lee and sa Crafty Hobbies and sa YouTube, pwede po kayong mag-comment. Yan. At ipapakita natin ang inyong mga comment. If sana mabasa natin, try nyo lang para mabasa ko yung mga comment nyo. Okay. So, anyway, ang ating topic for today is about pattern making. So, alam nyo, maraming mga crocheters, not only crocheters, actually, our topic for today is all about crafting, not only crocheting, but also knitting, or kahit ano pang craft na yan. Basta all about crafting, So, ang gusto ko kasi parang sakop na kasi lahat yan eh. So, crocheting and knitting because I'm a crocheter and I'm also a knitter. So, pinagsasama ko na talaga siya if pwede naman siyang pagsamahin. Okay, so very similar lang. Siguro sa stitches lang, ang naman kasi, ang crochet at ang knitting ay nagkakaiba lang sa stitches, sa style of method of making items. But in general, they are both in similar ways. Like when it comes to doing your craft, your passion, yung mga ganon. Okay. So, ayun nga. Oh, wait lang. Ini-scroll ko kasi. Yan. So, our topic for today is pattern making. Crafting 101, crochet and knitting. So, in pattern making, what are the things that you can do, and what are the things that you should know before you can make your own pattern? So, iyan po ang ating i-discuss today. So, of course, there's the art and craft of becoming a pattern maker. Embarking on a journey to become a pattern maker in the realm of crochet or knitting is akin to stepping into a world where creativity intertwines with precision and imagination meets technical prowess. Our topic today delves into the intricacies of this craft, exploring the path one takes to become a proficient pattern maker, the challenges encountered along the way, and the rewards of translating ideas into tangible creations. So, bago po to, of course, being a pattern maker, ako hindi pa naman ako gumagawa ng pattern, my own pattern, my own design. But in my years of experience as a crocheter and a knitter, medyo confident na tayo dun sa mga stitches, and medyo confident na rin ako sa paggawa ng mga items. Like, for example, yung pag may nakita kang item, uy, kaya kong gawin yan, kaya kong gawa ng pattern yan. But actually, making a pattern is, it takes a lot of patience and time, effort, and dedication talaga. So, malalaman po natin yan mamaya sa ating guest. Okay? So, i-discuss muna natin yung mga tips. Paano ba maging pattern maker? Okay, number 1, master the techniques. Okay, so kahit ano pa yung craft mo, kahit anong craft, mapa-crochet or mapa-knitting, you should master the techniques. So, it comes with long experience. Okay? So, to create patterns, you need to have a strong understanding of crochet or knitting techniques. This includes knowing how to create basic stitches. Of course, know the basics talaga. Increase and decrease stitches. Sa increase and decrease stitches, kasi dun mo isi-shape, especially if you are making wearables. So, may mga pagdating sa shoulder, pagdating sa shape, yun yung kailangan natin mag-decrease and mag-increase in order for us to do proper shaping of the item that we are making. Okay? Work in the round. Ayan. Ang work in the round usually applicable sa mga beanies, hats. Yun. Alam mo kung paano yan. You can work in the round and you can work flat. Okay? And more advanced techniques to really regularly improve your skills. So, before you can, ang dami nating 12, we have 12 viewers. Hello sa mga 12 viewers. You can comment down para po makita natin ang nyo, ang inyong mga comments, okay? Sa, how do you call this? Sa mastering techniques, we have to know the basics first. Alam mo, pag maganda ang foundation mo sa basics, maganda ang ang improvement mo eh. Hindi katulad ng mga iba na parang yung alam mo yung bandwagon. I mean, I have nothing against those people na natuto lang sa mga video tutorials. Of course, diskarte nila yon. But knowing all the basics and knowing all the basic techniques from the start is the most important thing. Kasi alam mo, magiging confident ka. Learning the techniques completely and thoroughly will give you the confidence that you can make your own pattern. Okay. Number 2, studying existing patterns. Yes, this is very important, especially before you can become a pattern maker. Of course, you have to know how to write a pattern. Paano ka matututo sa pag-write ng pattern? Kundi sa mga existing patterns. Kasi makikita mo yung format. Kung ano ba, hindi yung basta ka lang magsusulat, hindi po siya ganun. So we have to look at a wide variety of crochet or knitting patterns to understand different styles, structures, and techniques. Analyze how they are written, how they are constructed, and how they can be adapted or modified. Understanding the language pattern will help you guide on how to write your own. Ako marami na rin akong nababasang mga patterns, knitting and crochet. Kasi mahilig talaga akong, to all crocheters out there, maraming, how do you call this? Marami ang nagko-collect ng ng mga patterns diyan. 'Di ba? Marami nagko-collect ng patterns from Pinterest and from different platforms. Okay, marami silang kino-collect na. So, ngayon, if you want to really be a pattern maker, before you write your own pattern, kasi you can make your own pattern, you must know kung ano ba ang goal mo sa pagsulat ng pattern, Especially if you are planning to sell your pattern, you have to study existing patterns online, yung mga binibenta online, para alam mo kung ano ba yung format nila. Kasi usually, hindi lang basta, isulat mo yung pattern. No. You have to start from the start. Like, meron silang format dyan. Let's say, title or name ng item. So, ano yung unang, the first few parts ng pattern of any crochet or knitting pattern, andun yung materials, yung gauge, dapat alam mo yun, yung bawat isang part ng pattern. So in the coming days, we're going to discuss yung parts of a crochet or knit pattern. So like yung materials needed, yung gauge, ano ba ibig sabihin ng gauge, and then yung instructions, tapos may mga notes, may mga abbreviations, dapat included lahat. You have to include and you have to make sure that your pattern can be understood by the one who will make your pattern, who will do your pattern. Para yung ibang tao, pag sinunod yung pattern mo, it will be very clear, it should be very clear, well-written, at saka naiintindihan talaga ng sumusunod dun sa pattern mo. Okay? So you must know all the language techniques sa pattern making. Kaya nga yung sa number 1 na sinasabi, master the techniques. If you master the techniques, it means alam mo lahat ng stitches, alam mo lahat ng basics sa crochet or sa knitting or kung anumang craft ang gusto mong gawa ng pattern. Okay? So let's go to number 3. Learn pattern writing itself. Okay. Pattern writing is a skill in itself. You need to be able to clearly, accurately communicate your instructions to others. There are resources available online and in books that can teach you about pattern writing, conventions, formatting, and yung mga commonly used crochet or knitting pattern terms. So, kasi tayo, most crocheters, alam natin kung paano gawin eh. Alam mo, pattern writing is also a skill. Aside from crocheting, yung mga techniques, yung how to do the stitches, but knowing the name of the stitch and knowing the name of, how do you call that? The name of the technique. Like for example, yarn over, yarn under, 'di ba? Yung may mga ganong techniques may mga ganong name na ano ba yung yarn over? Ano ba yung yarn under? Because there are so many techniques actually, lalo na po sa crochet and knitting, there are a lot of techniques. Different crocheters and different knitters have their own style or technique. Katulad sa crochet, alam niyo po sa crochet, actually, when I started learning crochet, ang natutunan ko lang doon is, first natutunan ko is crochet, yarn over. Kailan ko lang natutunan ang yarn under? Kailan ko lang natutunan ang yarn under? Kasi, siguro ang yarn under natutunan ko lang a few years ago, like 2022? Yes. Around 2022 when I heard about the yarn under because meron akong nakilala na isang crocheter na ang linis ng ano niya nung mga amigurumis niya. Sabi ko, anong technique yan? Yung pala yarn under. Sabi ko, yun pala yung yarn under. So, learning the technique and how to describe it in order for you to communicate your the technique that you are using in your pattern. So, mahalaga po yun. O, di ba? So, kaya dapat alamin natin lahat. Number 4. Eto. Create original designs. Start designing your own patterns. Begin with simple projects. Gradually increase the complexity as you gain more experience. Keep a notebook or digital file to jot down ideas and sketches for design. So, ito lagi itong napag-aano yung create original designs. It's because always na nagkakaroon tayo ng issue about original designs. That there was an issue, I'm sure you know about the butterfly terno of Kylie Versosa, right? So, hindi na natin masyadong i-discuss yon, pero alam ng karamihan sa crocheters kung ano yung naging issue na yun, ano, di ba? So, when you are making a pattern, make sure na unique in design mo and wala pang nakaisip nun. But actually, one thing that I noticed, especially sa Etsy, alam niyo ba sa Etsy, I have seen a lot of patterns that are very much similar in appearance. Bakit? Katulad nung, for example, yung beanie, pare-pareho sila ng rib beanie. Pero, they are different in a way, probably because, number 1, different materials used. Number 2, different gauge. So, pag medyo na iba na yung pattern na yun, di ba? So, ganun. But, when it comes to design, katulad ng butterfly top and skirt na terno, baka maano tayo, if you are going to make that pattern or consider it your own or claim it your own, baka maano tayo dyan, anong tawag doon, may magreklamo at mademanda tayo. So, ingat-ingat lang din po. So, it is much better if you think and create your original design. Okay? And of course, once you create your original design, test your pattern. Okay? Once you've written a pattern, it's essential to test it thoroughly. Make the item following your own instructions and also ask others to test it for you. So, dito pumapasok yung mga pattern tester. So, most crocheters and knitters na nagpa-pattern making, actually, nowadays, mas marami akong kilalang crocheters. So, most crochet pattern makers call out for testers. So, na-discuss na natin yan yung being a pattern tester, before our topic was being a pattern tester. So ngayon naman, when you are the pattern maker, you have to ask others to try your own pattern before mo siya i-release sa market. Para you make sure na maiintindihan ng ibang tao yung sinasabi mo sa pattern mo. Okay? And this helps identify any errors or unclear instructions that need to be corrected. Kasi tao lang tayo, let's face it. Kahit anong pagsusulat ba yan, any kind of writing, ang kailangan kaya nga yung iba, 'di ba? Yung ibang mga writer pinapa-edit, may editor sila. So, sa pattern making, para din tayong nagsusulat ng ng libro. O kasi writing din naman yan. So, kailangan meron din tayong editor. O, tsaka syempre yung kung English yan, medyo yan yung sa grammar, yung mga ganon. So, if you are a pattern maker and you're not sure about the instructions and the, grammar aspect, pwede niyo ako i-consult. O, diba? Okay. Next. Ayun. So, after making your own pattern, photograph or illustrate your design. So, ito importante, syempre. At dapat talaga maganda when you make a pattern, i-include nyo yung mga pictures dun sa pattern nyo in different angles. Kasi maganda, for example, if you write a pattern like wearables, mas maganda kung merong actual model or nakaano sa manikin para makikita yung fit. Diba? Mas maganda kasi mayroong nakikitang visual. That's why visuals are important in pattern design. Ayan. Take clear photos or create illustrations of your finished projects to accompany your patterns. This helps users understand how the finished item should look. Ayan nga. Alam nyo, ito narinig ko lang, hindi pala narinig. When I went to, ano ba yun? Sa Etsy, isang selling platform, many crocheters know Ali Jean of Crafters Muse, di ba? So siya yung sikat na sa Pinas na pattern maker and crochet designer. Nakita ko yung profile niya sa Etsy yata, nakita ko. And then, alam mo yung feedback. Yung mga feedback ng nagbumili ng pattern niya. Alam niyo ang sabi doon? Very clear very clear ito yung natatandaan ko. Very clear instructions with complete photos of step by step. Ayun, step by step complete photos. Like, OMG, ganun kagaling ganun kagaling, ganun katyaga si Miss Ali Jean na gumawa ng pattern niya. Because she wants to make sure that her fellow crocheters can understand her pattern thoroughly na every step of the way, masasabayan yung paggawa ng pattern niya. So, alam mo, sa pattern making, talaga yan you give much effort in order for you to be able to clearly communicate kung ano yung gusto mo sabihin sa pattern mo. Diba? Okay. So, diba? Parang, ang galing-galing talaga. Okay, so let's have next. Number 7. So, ayun nga, after makakuha ka ng pattern testers and maayos mo na lahat ng pattern mo, publish your pattern. So, you can publish your pattern in some social websites and platforms. There are various like Etsy, Ravelry, Lovecrafts, your own website, sa Facebook, alam nyo, sa kabila sa Black App, sa TikTok, meron ng yung slideshow lang ng yung slideshow ng pattern ng mga maliliit na amigurumi. May makikita ka mga pattern dun, galing Thailand, galing Vietnam, di ba? So, pwede nyo ring doon. If you want to share your pattern for free, di ba? Or a part of your pattern, pero bibili nila yung whole pattern. May ganun may techniques. If you want to publish your pattern, and if you're planning to sell, siguro maganda yata sa experience ng iba sa Etsy and Ravelry kasi medyo marami ng users dyan Ganon. O pwede rin naman sa mga kaibigan mo, alok mo, di ba? Susuportahan ka ng mga friends mo. Okay. Number 8, build a following. Ayun nga, promote your patterns on social media platforms, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Engage with crafting community. alam nyo, this is very applicable talaga for every crocheter or for every crocheter na gusto talagang makilala in any field of crafting, may it be sa accepting orders, selling crochet items, or selling patterns, or kahit ano pa yan. Build a following, it means makakuha, it's important na makakuha ka ng mga followers mo. And how do you do that? How do you get followers? Engaging ang content mo, sumali ka sa mga community, like merong maraming Facebook groups, ayun, sali ka doon, and alam mo yung suportahan, ilalike mo yung page niya, ilalike niya yung page mo, yung suportahan lang, di ba? So, kasi ang crafting kasi napakalawak. There are crocheters na magaling sa wearables. There are crocheters na magaling sa amigurumis. So, kasi minsan hindi mo lahat masasakop. Just ako kasi meron ka lang talagang isang part ng crochet or aspect ng crochet na mahihiligan mo. So, ano ka doon? Saan ka doon? Which part or which aspect of crocheting or crafting do you want to explore more and do you want to focus on? Yun kasi ang minsan, kasi pag paiba-iba tayo, minsan hindi natin ma-hone yung skills dun sa part ng aspect na yun sa crocheting. Kasi ang napapansin ko sa mga crocheters na nakakakuha ng maraming followers, number 1, consistent sila sa content. Like, kung mga, kunyari, kung mga dolls, puro dolls sila talaga, amigurumis. Kung mga wearables, puro sila wearables. Ganon. Katulad sa wearables, si Crafters Muse, si Ali Jean, di ba? Puro siya wearables. Talagang mamamangha ka. Siguro, kaya mapapansin mo na yung mga patterns na sinesell niya, yung mga kino-content niya sa page niya is puro wearables talaga. Di ba? Number 2 naman, pagdating naman sa amigurumi, yung kilala ko na maraming followers is si Amy or Amy Saigon. Di ba? Meron siyang YouTube channel tsaka sa Facebook page na ang gaganda ng gawa niya mga amigurumi. So, dun siya nakilala. Kaya pag you have your own unique style kasi. Di ba? So, ano ka doon? So, doon ka mag-concentrate. Kung saan ka magaling. Yun. And then, you can build a following. Okay? And then, next, number 9. Walang nagko-comment. Okay. Continuously improve. Again, keep learning and refining your skills. Pay attention to feedback from users of your patterns and use it to improve future designs. Stay updated on trends in the crochet and knitting world. Yes, continuously improve. Alam mo, nung ako nag-uumpisa sa crochet world, nung elementary. Hello, Jam! Mamaya, Jam! Hello, Jam, mamaya. Ano kita? Invite kita mamaya after this. We're on number 9. So, ito, continuously improve. Dati, ang alam ko lang is, ang crochet, nung unang panahon, ang crochet lang is for just like wearables, yung mga mantel, yung mga kortina, ganun lang ang alam ko. Pero alam nyo, nung after pandemic, nauso ang mga amigurumis. Yan. Amigurumis ang nauso. Kaya, ano tawag doon? Kaya ngayon, marami na talagang, how do you call this? Marami ng gumagawa ng mga amigurumis ngayon. Customized amigurumis. Kahit ngayon, Alam mo, ang crochet and knitting, kahit ano, pwede nang gawin eh. Kahit saan. Kahit ano, igawa mo nga ako ng manika o ng dal or mini-me, pwede. Igawa mo ako ng crochet wearables, pwede. Mantel, kurtina, kahit ano pa yan. Pwedeng gayahin ang lahat. O, di ba? Tapos, ayan. So, nandito na tayo sa number 9. Number 10 pala. Ito nga. Consider legal aspects. Understand copyright laws and how they apply to your designs. And sa country, alam mo, in every country, iba-iba naman ang ano niyan eh. Iba-iba ang laws din. Kasi may mga bansa na medyo nakakalusot yung mga ganyan, tsaka wala pang masyadong law about copyright dyan sa pagdating sa crafting patterns or something. Medyo hindi pa ganun. Pero sa ibang bansa, I think like sa US, medyo mahigpit sila pagdating doon. And crafters in other countries, especially US, na suportahan talaga sila na bawal mong ibenta yan. Bawal gawin yan dito pagdating sa pattern making, pagdating sa mga copyright, bawal yan. Yung mga ganun. Okay? So you should decide whether you want to copyright your patterns and consider licensing options if you want to protect your intellectual property. But of course, syempre, if you want to copyright your patterns and your work, kailangan mo din gumastos dyan. So, ayun, i-consider mo yun kung gusto mo lang talaga. Pero kung hindi mo naman kaya, is okay lang naman na ganun. But consider the fact na consider the fact na hindi talaga maaano yan. Ibig sabihin, hindi may iwasan na meron manggagaya. Okay? Yes, dapat lisensyahan talaga in terms of copyrighted issues. Yes, tama po kayo, Mr. Renato Bugkil. Ayan, si Mr. Renato. Mr. Renato, one of these days, I would like to invite you to my live, okay? To talk about, let's talk about your big mandala. Okay? Pag may time ka na. Okay? So, ayun nga po. Ayan, so, consider legal aspects kung gusto niyo i-copyright or i-license yung mga yung mga work niyo. Mas maganda, of course, may bayad yun, di ba? Pero kung nagsisimula ka palang crocheter, tiis-tiis muna siguro, but you must be ready sa consequence ng hindi niyo pag-copyright. Di ba? Kasi kung gusto mo talagang, if you really want to protect, I think, if you really want to protect your work or your pattern, edi i-copyright mo. So, you can be protected. But if you cannot and you don't have the budget, then face the consequence. O, diba? Ganun, I think ganun lang yun. O, diba? Okay. So, ayun. Remember that becoming a successful pattern maker takes time and dedication. Yes. In one pattern, in one item, and if you want to make a pattern of that, takes I don't know how long. I haven't tried making any pattern, but sa iniisip ko pa lang parang matrabaho siya. Okay? Keep practicing, experimenting, honing your craft, and eventually you will develop your own unique style and niche within the crochet or knitting community. So, ayun. So, laban lang tayo, tuhog lang ng tuhog. Keep crafting and keep creating. So, lang po natin, ipagpatuloy lang natin yung ating passion sa crafting na ito. And if pattern making is your goal and you're planning to sell, you can always ask others, and they can you have to how do you call this? To ask for help from other co-crocheters na mas may experience sa inyo. Okay. Yes, I agree, Ramily. Yes po. Okay, we are simultaneously live from my Facebook page, Crafty Hobbies, and here in Lisa Lima Mili. Pati sa ating, ay, mali pala yung YouTube link ko. Sorry. Anyway, buburahin ko na lang yun. Okay, so hi sa ating 9 viewers. So, we're going to take a break. I'm gonna stop this live kasi gagawan ko siya ng reels. And then, we're going to have after around after 15 minutes, I'm gonna be live again with our guest. Si Gems Crochet and Crafts, because Gems Crochet and Craft, nag-release siya ng pattern yesterday yata, anong kanyang bucket hat. So, we are going to ask her about her experience as a pattern maker, yung mga struggles niya, and mga tips niya para naman sa ibang gustong gumawa ng pattern, di ba? So, I hope you can join us again after 15 minutes. I'm gonna end this live, and please watch out our next live with Gems Crochet and Crafts. Okay. See you later. Break muna tayo.